It is 11:42 p.m. on a Sunday, and your phone buzzes with a 6 o'clock client canceling their session for tomorrow morning suddenly. You lie awake debating whether to enforce your cancellation policy and make things awkward or absorb the loss and lose some rent money. Chasing last-minute cancellations and constant scheduling drama is one of the fastest ways to burn out quickly as a fitness coach. Now imagine having 0 appointments and no scheduling headaches because clients train whenever it fits their busy personal schedules on their own. That is Fat Wealth Asynchronous Coaching, where clients do workouts when it fits them and you review technique and progress on your flexible schedule. No more no-shows, no scheduling headaches, and no last-minute cancellations disrupting your life. You coach intentionally and protect your time and energy. Your clients train whenever it fits their schedules and you review workouts, technique, and progress whenever it fits yours without live meetings. No no-shows, no scheduling headaches, and no client schedules controlling your day. This model gives predictable income and reduces burnout for coaches regularly. Stop letting client schedules control your life and reclaim consistent income and freedom. Click the link in our bio to learn more.